Click on the link below to get price. The BLAZEGO EK2 Kids Electric Dirt Bike is an impressive option for young riders aged 5 to 10. This electric motorcycle combines safety, performance, and fun, making it an excellent choice for parents looking to introduce their children to off-road adventures. With a powerful 350W motor and a 36V battery, the bike delivers an exhilarating experience while ensuring the rider's safety. One of the standout features of the EK2 is its speed settings. It offers 2 adjustable speed modes, allowing parents to control the maximum speed, which can reach up to 15 miles per hour. This flexibility is crucial for beginners who are still learning the ropes of riding. The bike is equipped with a sturdy frame that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, and the large, knobby tires provide excellent traction on various terrains, whether it's dirt trails or grassy fields. Safety is a top priority, and the EK2 includes a range of features that give parents peace of mind. The bike comes with a reliable braking system that allows for quick stops, while the electric motor is designed to be quiet, promoting a more serene outdoor experience. The adjustable seat height ensures that the bike can grow with your child, accommodating different heights comfortably. The design of the BLAZEGO EK2 is also appealing. It features vibrant colors and sleek lines that are sure to catch the eye of young riders. The bike is lightweight, making it easier for children to maneuver and handle. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, ensuring that parents can get their kids riding in no time. Overall, the BLAZEGO EK2 Kids Electric Dirt Bike offers a fantastic balance of fun and safety. It encourages outdoor activity, builds riding skills, and provides countless hours of enjoyment. Whether cruising around the neighborhood or tackling backyard trails, this electric dirt bike is an excellent investment for adventurous kids.